picked this up from the Action, and I really wanted to do it on my nose, and I also want to remove my mustache. It's coming. It's not that much, but I can see it now. I've been wanting to do it last night, but I was so tired. I just took shower and went to bed. So last night I did exfoliate my face. So today I don't need to go in with another exfoliator. What I'm doing now is using rose water and lavender mixed together just to remove any excess oil on this surface. Okay, let's do that. Okay, everything is dry. Take this one. I'm just coming from work. I'm really tired. I want to relax. But if I don't do this, I know at night I wouldn't have the strength to do this. Okay, now everything is done. It's smooth, no hair anymore. When you see it, you think, oh, it's nothing. When you open it, see the hair? So I'm just gonna clean it. Take this mask. Like, simple go. Do I have scissors here? Ja, ik heb een schaar. Ik heb een schaar in de douche. Okay. So I'd like to take this towel. I'm gonna soak it with hot water. When I say hot water, it's like to put this on my nose. I've plucked my eyebrow because I don't really do makeup when I'm working or when I'm just doing my things. When I'm going out, I like to do makeup. So I pluck my eyebrow, and I sometimes do tint it. I also use this eyebrow tint, and I clean my mustache. I do my facials at home, and like that really helps me to stay put together, you know. So it makes my self-care very easy, because I don't have to be like, oh, I'm ready to go out now, I have to do my eyebrow. I make sure I try to fix my eyebrows and other things during the week. Sometimes I take a Sunday off and I do all of those things on Sunday, but I feel like, yeah, Sunday is my resting day. And now I just, after work, if I have time, before I go lie down and start pressing my phone, I'll just do something. Just allow it to dry properly before peeling it out. It's gonna be painful, but beauty causes pain. It smells awful. It has this minty smell and it burns my eyes.